Okay, it's 11:30. Wednesday morning. So we got Bitcoin back up in 108. Well, it's gone up to 109,000 in the last couple minutes. Bitcoin Cash is 4.6%, which is kind of like leading the way, except Solana. Solana is a little higher than, and Ethereum is at 5.22% in the last 7 days. I don't count the last 24 hours or 1 hour too much. I kind of go by the 7-day flag. We started coming down for the last day and a half or so. We dipped quite a bit, but now we're kind of back on track. I have some terrible news. Although my account is up a little bit, NVIDIA is wrecking it up. It continues to go up. It's doing pretty good. It's been up about 15% in the last, month and a half or so. And it's sending my NVIDIA option moving. I'm in the money. It's a 1:30 call. Expires on December 2026 next year. So I got plenty of time for this to really rack up some miles. Now the problem is that my CEG option that expires, when does it expire? Tomorrow. Oh shit. Tomorrow it expires Thursday afternoon. Actually Thursday midnight. But basically I can trade it till 3 o'clock. It's down. So it's down 50%, and I've lost just about the whole thing. I was in the money 2 days ago, but CG is not it's not performing now. I have a day. I could roll it over, but it doesn't matter. I'd rather buy an option on CG that goes, I like the year, 2 years, 3 years options. The price is kind of high on it, so the option is very expensive, shall we say. It's at $306. Now, if it makes it at $310, I'll be in the money, all right? It's only $4 away. Actually, $3 and 72 cents or so. If it makes it past 310, let's see. If it makes it past 310, I'll be in the money, and it means that hopefully my option will. I don't lose my option. I really don't want to roll it over because it's kind of expensive. I'd rather wait a little bit to make something else from here and then buy that CEG. And actually, maybe I would just kind of wait for it to maybe take a little drop someplace along the line. Although I don't think it will. I mean, things around the world, they're kind of everything's the same. We got the Rocket Man. They're kind of in check at the moment. Trump, Korea, and Putin, Zelensky, the Netanyahu, Iranians, supposedly Iranians, but I don't even think that the Iranians are sending missiles. I think it's done within our own confines that's happening. That's another story for another day. But if the CEG goes to 310, then I'll be okay. Okay, this will rise beautifully, but it's getting close. It's not. It's getting close to. The thing is, CEG could. That's why I didn't sell it the other day. I could have and not lose as much, but CEG really goes up and down like crazy. Okay, enough of that. File G, it's up 34 cents. 11%, 11.5%. Yeah, Litecoin lovers, LTCN, 67 cents up, 10% up, guys, on LTCN. LTCN is up to $7.09, so it broke that $7 streak. LTCN gonna follow BCHG or BCH. Let's see what the native is doing with LTCN. Litecoin, it's $86. It's up 3.5%. Stellar is down a little bit, but in the that's what I mean. You know, in the native doesn't follow the grayscale. Grayscale doesn't follow the market exactly. You got this rise here, 67 cents, and you don't really see it in the native. BCHG is going up, but it doesn't show here yet. Eventually it will. Although HSN, I did buy 200 shares, $120 or so. It wasn't 57 cents at 60 cents. I bought it at 60 cents. I would consider this cheap. If anybody knows any news about it, why HSN is down so much, you know, just write in the comments, guys. I don't go to other boards or anything. So if it moves, then it's like, you know, I like to track. Yeah, that's about it. Nvidia is doing nice. Let's look at let's go over here. This is Grayscale products. Filecoin 13%. Like I said, up. BAT, basic attention, up 12%. Bitcoin Cash is up very just a tiny little bit on the native. Mana, Decentraland, 9%, and of course Litecoin is up 9%. Probably, hopefully, it begins. Litecoin is beginning to move because it's been. Let's look at the chart real quick. Okay, 1 month chart. Okay, yeah, it's been kind of like down, and it was up a little bit, but it's been down for the last 2 weeks. But it's been going steady, you know, sideways. Right here, it started a little bit climb upwards. Big climb today. Look at the 3 months. The high was $8 and something. Of course, we're at 7. Yeah, we moved up. It's trending up. Well, what's going to happen? Who knows? Let's look at 1 year chart. Yeah, 1 year's down in the doldrums. It could be that. I mean, I've seen signs that it's around the crypto markets that things are moving up. So this may just be maybe the bottom before it all starts moving up. You know, I've said this a million times before, though, and nothing happens. So I'm sorry, but I'm just I'm in the same boat as you guys are. Looking at the stuff day to day, it's like you know, I'm just talking about it and thinking that that some of it may, especially in the last few weeks, there's been kind of like signs of. I mean, Bitcoin is still up there. You know, it's not. It's not going down. And like I say, it could be the beginning of, you know, the next stop, 100, maybe 150,000. This is 7 days. I mean, this is really parabolic here. Can you see that? Yeah. you can see this. I mean, 7 days. It's kind of from here going all the way up here. It's pretty intense there. Let's look at the 1 month. Let's see what happened over here. It was 110, 192. So we're only a thousand. Yeah, we're a thousand away from an all-time high. So that's interesting. We broke it over this area here, which was we got this the first tower in the end mountain. And then this is the second tower, but now instead of it going sharply down, it did, but not as much as something like this. Let's look at the all-time chart. Okay, this is it didn't go from here. It didn't go all the way down. It's going up. It went down a little bit. Kind of tested got its feet wet, and it kind of the water's too cold or too warm, whatever you want to call it. And like I say, we've been parabolic in the last week, even though it was down a couple of days ago, a day ago. From here, there may be just a shot up again, another rise. Maybe the altcoins may follow Bitcoin, maybe to 150. Who knows? Maybe 120, and then the altcoins follow Bitcoin along. Nobody knows. I mean, nobody knows what happened last time. 5 years ago. It doesn't indicate that it's going to happen exactly the way it happened before. Keep waiting and watching these little signs, and it's interesting. It's like I kind of think a few years from now, I'm gonna be watching some of these videos that I made, and it's like, man, yeah, I was going through some real headaches and heartaches, and it was a wild ride. A lot of people left, and there's probably a lot of people still, especially HSN. I think some people left the HSN. They got pissed off. They left. So I don't know, guys. So basically, that's it, guys. That's all I got for today. Like I say, the Bitcoin may go to 150, may go to maybe 125, and the next step, it may take the altcoins with it, maybe not. Maybe when it hits 150, then it comes down, and then maybe the altcoins start taking off. But Bitcoin Cash continues its upward trend. It's pretty much leading the pack at the moment. Today, Solana is ahead of it, but that may change in a few minutes. Sometimes I look at this stuff, it's like, my gosh, it changes like 10% within, by the time I finish making the video, it's like, okay, that's it for today. Take care, guys. Bye.